If you want to work on your phenomenal piece of equipment, you just simply go like that and boom, there it is. This is obviously my Dreame A1 Garage. I have to say this was supplied by Dreame to do this test, but they gave me no instructions. So let's open it up, set it up, and see if this is something essential that you need to have with your A1 lawnmower. Let's check that out. I feel like I need to talk quieter because the Dreame is asleep here in the garage, but I don't think I really have to do that for the robot. But I am sitting here right next to the garage because I wanted to come here and tell you what my overall impression is of this garage and why I actually think you should get it. Not only is it freaking cool looking, right? It is beautiful looking and it's so fun watching the robot pull out and go do its business and then come back and park itself and go to sleep for the night. But it actually is a protective cover because this has only been out here for like maybe 3 weeks. I have cleaned it periodically to shoot videos for you and have it look beautiful and nice, but I want to show you what it looks like. So obviously I am here in Florida. It is beautiful and we have every kind of wild animal in the world, and somebody has decided to turn this into its pathway. I don't know. It rained last night also, so I'm not sure if those were raccoon prints or who was cruising around on this thing last night, but you have a valuable piece of equipment in there and you want to keep it looking beautiful. So this is a phenomenal answer for it. I've showed you how it works. If you want to work on your phenomenal piece of equipment, you just simply go like that and boom, there it is. Look at that right there, sitting there waiting to be worked on. Let's put it back to bed. Shh. So yeah, if you want this, you cannot possibly go wrong. There is a button right here on the screen. If that functionality is not there, worst case, down in the description. Go get yourself one. Please use that link. It helps out the channel. I'm going to say thank you in advance. Please remember to like and subscribe this video if this has been helpful to you. And you can throw in any comments you have if you have any questions about this. But you cannot possibly go wrong with this piece of equipment. I am a huge fan of this. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.